Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci room here at Simpler Trading. I just wanted to give you a quick setup that I see here in Snap. And it is a royal setup. We are above the 200, above the 50, and the 5 and the 13 are on a buy. So that is why I am looking for pullbacks in this stock, okay? We haven't quite come down to this setup zone yet, so I'm assuming that we are going to make a deeper downside correction. But if that low is in place from today, your target would be 82.44. But let's always remember that if we take out that low from today of 75.01, that target is going to change. Of course, you're not going to have any resistance on the way up. That's why we love royal setups. And as far as the support is concerned, I want you to wait until it comes down into some of the support and it triggers. Now, of course, if you are a day trader, you can use a tick 1 minute or 5 minute trigger. If you are a swing trader, you use a 15 minute or a 30 minute trigger. Because this is a royal setup, you can use a 5 minute trigger. You just want it to trigger on a 15 by the end of the day. All right, everybody, that's what I've got for you for now for Snapchat. I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me